Namaste. Welcome to Syamantacvilla, Kodaikanal. It's a 5-bedroom villa property situated in the mid of a valley. This property especially has got a very beautiful view of waterfalls and Parani temple. Parani temple in the evening, it looks like a jewel box. My property has got a 5-star rating, and this property I've developed for detox. We concentrate on detox, health hub, health for all, and also we have the regular menus for our guests. Today I'm dedicating this episode for corporates, because I was in corporate. We were doing facility management, and you know how the admin managers, HR, they have a hot air blown in through their nose. They work so hard, especially when they are on long hours of meeting without a break. We need to give them a diet so that they will be able to perform well. The ultimate idea is, instead of drinking a normal tea, you have a detox tea, so that your output will be good. You'll be able to sustain freshness for a longer hours. When you're tired during your meetings, especially, take a chill water in your hand and splash it hard on your face. Moment you do that, sweat pores in your face will open. When the sweat pores open, oxygen in the water will get into your face, and there will be a good circulation. You will feel fresh immediately. When there's oxygen circulation going on fast in your blood, automatically, however fatigued you are, you will become fresh. So that will help you actually doing your meeting better with your clients. Especially when you do a vendor meeting, I know how many hours an admin manager will sit and talk to them. To avoid or to keep yourself fresh and stamina good, please follow these recipes, which helps you do better job at your office. Thank you. Today I'm going to share with you about hibiscus tea. This is the hibiscus flower. What I use to make the hibiscus tea. This is from my property. It's a very huge flower. I dry these flowers, and I put it in a filter paper, so that when I make a tea, the dust doesn't come out. I use a sachet instead of powder, adding it directly into the water. Sachet, when you drink tea, when you have some particles, you don't feel like have the satisfaction of drinking a tea. So we use this sachet. We have a sachet for every teas what we prepare from our property. I'm going to talk to you about the hibiscus tea. Now this is a hot water which I have done in my kettle. I'm pouring 1 glass of hot water in this. Now I am dipping this tea here. Dipping this hibiscus tea sachet in this. Within few minutes you see how red it turns. Okay. Especially hibiscus tea is very good for it. Lowers your blood pressure. Heart diseases, coronary diseases, blood pressure reduces when you have your hibiscus tea. Your menstrual cramps also will come down. Just try this for 7 days and see. You will have an excellent health betterment. You'll easily find it within 7 days. Try this out, ladies, for menstrual cramp, and men, just for all who wants to reduce their BP. Hibiscus tea is an apt tea. You can always take this on a long hours of meetings. It will give you a very good break. The flower which I use from my garden, this is one of the plant. Just planted and show it to you, and gives a considerable weight loss. This I give for most of my most of my guests who takes 1-day detox therapy. It's this hibiscus tea. One of the sessions I served in this, along with many other flavors. Thank you.